If this thing happens to you,
feeling bored and have no friend, being a good student but have no place to work after graduating, living in this black and white world.
at DREAMDO company, you'll be in color.
We will provide you a perfect guide that sets your mind about majors in college and job. Be able to apply what you've learned in class to real life and get a matching job. And make friends.
I think DREAMDO company is amazing. It gave me a lot of opportunities, which I'm very thankful to this company for. Being a high school student and actually being very bored in high school, unlike a lot of other people, I took the chance to work in hospital and help doctors and nurses with their jobs, and I truly enjoyed it.
And so as a parent of students who involved in our company's program, how do you think about our program?
I think it's fantastic. Ever since my son's been working at the gas station, he's been doing so much better in school and at home.
No.
At DREAMDO, we guarantee to provide you the best working life. DREAMDO. Dreams don't work unless you do.